What is going on, everybody? Dad Bod Season here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is February. It's a day in February here in Pennsylvania, but it is crazy. It was 76 degrees today. Now it's currently 68, and I'm loving it. Tomorrow's gonna be in the 30s. So the Supra is in sport mode right now. We're having a good time. We're just enjoying the day because I know tomorrow is not gonna be as good of a day. So if you guys did like the last video, with the wrap update on the customer's car, the Toyota Venza that we did, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. But we're actually finishing up in this video, so it'll be all done in this one. But I'm on my way home right now, and right up here we have a bridge, and I got a nice little Subi behind me. He's been kind of riding my butt, so yeah, let's see what this sounds like. Windows down. We'll just do a little, give a little something underneath the bridge for the Subi. Didn't pop the first time, but you know. Today's a big day. Big day, maybe not for us, but a big day for our customer. It's pickup day. So he's gonna be picking up this wrap that we've been working on for a week. If you've been joining our TikTok lives, you would have seen it. But she's right here, and she looks beautiful. And she's all done, ready to go, and we're so excited for him to pick it up. He's on his way, so once he gets here, we're gonna go ahead and do the thing, you know what I mean? Ooh, does she look good? And there you have it, folks. Another satisfied customer, you know what I mean?
Later.
Hey everybody, so I thought I'd just pop in here and give everyone pretty much a rundown of a shop update, what's been going on. So last week started with a full wrap, which you guys saw. It was that Toyota Venza, and it went from that red color to the tan color, which turned out absolutely amazing. It looked so good, and the customer said he was going to completely redo his interior to match his exterior now, powder coat his wheels, those huge wheels, to a black to match with all of the black with the chrome delete, and it's honestly gonna look so good. So we also did a golf cart wrap, and that was just a basic golf cart. It originally was like a orange metal for the back bumper, which was different. I haven't seen a metal body for a golf cart before, at least personally. So that was different. And then we also did the front bumper for it. And the customer requested to try to do the roof of the golf cart, but unfortunately we weren't able to get it to stick properly, and I didn't feel comfortable wrapping it. So we ended up just telling him, hey, like if you want to spray paint it or have it professionally done by a paint shop, then you can do that. But honestly, like we spray painted for Caleb's dad's golf cart, the roof of his golf cart, and it turned out amazing. So maybe just a little bit of sanding, clay bar it. I clay barred it already. So pretty much all I really needed to do was just wipe it down and spray paint it. So it went from that orangish, burnt orange, red color to the neon green. So it went to this color. This is a scrap piece that was laying on the ground. So I went to this like neon, it's called satin apple green, and the customer absolutely loved it. And then I also did a couple details here and there. Our schedule for the month of March is somewhat open. So if you guys do want to schedule something, you can message us at dbs_customs on Instagram or DBS Customs on Facebook. Follow our pages, like all of our content, and keep up to date with all of the promotions and sales that go on. Right now we do have a sale going on that's $50 interior details, so please take advantage of that deal. If you guys do follow Caleb on TikTok, which is Dad Bod Season 610, You know that we do live streams every single night, talk to you guys, talk to people on the live. So we do like live matches and all that stuff. And here's a little story time of what happened to us last weekend. So we were on his TikTok live, and there was a girl that commented in his live, and her name was Baby Nismo Girl 23. And Caleb saw it and was like, Nismo? Hold on. So then he was talking to her through the comments, and she was like, yeah, like I have Nissan Skyline R34 Nismo V-Spec in their garage. And he was like, there's absolutely no way. There's absolutely no way. So she said, okay, well then let me request you be a host in your live and I'll show you. So he requested, or she requested, he accepted. She was in the live with us for about 2 hours almost.
You'll end up breaking the internet.
I think we already kind of broke it.
Yeah.
People were like literally calling me Cap and stuff, and I'm like, you have no idea what I have. So please don't say that. Not because I'm like on the download means I don't got nothing.
But like, to be fair, the chances of someone coming on a TikTok live saying they have an R34 Nismo and actually having one is like 1 in a million.
All right.
So, I mean, I'm in disbelief.
And the crazy part is I have a few, bro. This is
just a baby one.
I grew up around these cars. I was not born here. So I grew up around these cars, wrenching, fixing, driving them. You know, I was just like thrown in the other seat, and my pops would just like jerk me around the neighborhood.
Yeah.
So this is what I grew up around, and a lot of people don't understand these cars. They're in it for the hype. I was in it because I was raised around it. This is what I do.
Yeah.
You know?
Are you guys hiring?
Her and her significant other were just showing us all of their amazing cars that they had. He said that he would show us around. He lives pretty local to us. He lives about 2 hours away up in the Poconos. So we are in the future for sure going to be recording a video with them with all of their amazing, beautiful cars. And it's very, very exciting to be on live and not really expect to meet people that are local to you, but still engage with your audience and build your relationship with your audience. But when it's local and you can actually meet them, it's 10 times better, 1,000 times better, just because you can actually get to know them and hang out with them and bond in that sort of way other than through a screen, if that makes sense. That brings me to my next point. We were also talking in his TikTok live that during the summer, if things start taking off and he gets more traction with his content that he's creating, he's thinking about when his C8 does come in, that we will be doing a East Coast tour. So we will start up in Maine and in Florida and just make pit stops throughout the way. So if you live on the East Coast and you would like to either join a cruise or would like to meet somewhere, have a spot in the East Coast states that you would want us to stop and have a car meet, then that's definitely something in the works. And just make sure to DM him on Instagram at thatboutseason610. If you have any questions or recommendations on where we should go, where we should stop, if there are places in certain East Coast states, landmarks or places that are really, really cool in your state and you really, really want us to see, or you want to just meet up with us, go out to eat with us, feel free to message us because we're open to anything. But heading back to the shop update, we're still working on this wall. Next week, I think we will be finishing the drywall. We will be putting lights and insulation up on this ceiling so then it will be officially done. If you guys have any recommendations on where to get like car flags, we have a Viper one. We have an American flag. We're thinking about doing a flag wall on this back wall, and also printing out pictures of all of the cars that we've wrapped so far and making a vinyl wrap wall just to show off like how we started, what project we first started on to where we are now. And it's always great to show off your work. I'm proud of what I do. Caleb's proud of what he does. And together we make an amazing team. So we want this shop, even though it's a 2-car garage, you know, it's where we are right now. We're making the best of it and we love it. So like I said, if you guys have any recommendations on how we should kind of design the rest of the shop, as in like decorations or painting, like we're gonna paint the floor eventually. We're thinking of a gray, like a slate gray. And then I want to do like blueprints of some old cars, probably a Viper because it's Caleb's, a 97 Viper because Caleb's dream car. Probably Mustang because I got a Mustang. Probably a Mark IV because Supra. Probably an old Vet. Probably a couple other cars. Also, Caleb is coming around to the thought of modifying the Mustang, making it a little faster, making it a little louder, maybe. So if you guys have any ideas on what I should do to the Mustang without voiding my warranty, let me know. Thank you guys for all of the love with the Mustang. I really appreciate it. I love this girl. She is beautiful still. And yeah, so I'm going to close it out right here. If you liked today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family, and we'll see you guys next time.